Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Jason, and you're now tuned into I Speak Geek. So if this is your first time joining us here, please think about liking and subscribing and hitting that notification button so you can stay up to date whenever I release new videos. And guys, I'm still giving away a KeyChron K4 and a K1. So if you want to win these keyboards, please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter. And without further ado, let's talk about today's video. So I've been using the KeyChron C2 for the last 2 weeks, and it's been a pretty pleasant experience with one bug that I found so far, and that is the voice assistant button. So we have a dedicated button, like with all of KeyChron's keyboards, where you can call up Siri or you can call up Cortana with this key. But while using it, I noticed that it didn't actually activate Siri, and I barely use Siri on my laptop, but in the moment that I wanted to use it, it didn't work. So hopefully KeyChron can fix this with a firmware update and making that available for Mac. I know they tend to make a lot of their firmware updates available for Windows computer, but hopefully they make one available for the Mac. Of course, I did try using the keyboard assistant on the Mac, and it didn't even identify the key, so I couldn't assign a shortcut to it. But other than that, it's been relatively smooth since me switching the switches out. So I got the stock Gateron switches. These were the Gateron Blues. They're very clicky switch. And then I changed them to the novel keys, Sherbert. And I have to say, it's been a pretty good experience. I'm finding the differences that I like with my keyboard. So I did some of them lubed and some of them not lubed. And they're varying sounds, and they feel a little bit different, lube versus non-lubed. And like the lube ones are definitely smoother, but I think the ones that are non-lube, the click sounds just a little bit better. Even though I thought at first that I couldn't tell the difference, there is a slight pitch difference, but I think I'm gonna keep it the way it is. I may lube them all in the future, who knows? Or I just might keep it, again, like I said, the way it is. So let's actually do a quick, sound test so I can let you. Okay, as you can tell, I did lube some of these switches, and there are some that I didn't lube. So this row right here, I went ahead and lubed, as well as these buttons right here, this keypad, and this top row right here. I did not lube, so let me see if you can hear the difference. By the way, this one seemed a lot smoother. And I feel like these ones sound like a lot clickier. So guys, you heard how it sounds. What do you think? Do you think I should have kept it the way it was, or keep it as it is now? So guys, thank you for watching. This is Jason, and you just tuned into I Speak Geek. Later, guys. Bye.